In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this fun shaker card using the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set and the Christmas layers dies. If you purchase these two together in a bundle, you get 10% off. Just go to my website, eStampin.com, and enter the hostess code, and I will send you this card and a free gift. Let's get started. So first, I have a piece of Whisper White as my base of the card. It is the thick Whisper White, and it is cut 4 1/4 by 11. And I am just going to stamp Season's Greetings just a little bit randomly down the middle of the card. Next, I have cut out this frame using the stitched rectangle dies. And so I'm going to put some adhesive on the back. All the way around. Since this is a shaker card, I don't want anything to spill out. Now I have a window sheet. I might have to cut this down a little bit. So good thing I have this little mini paper trimmer that demonstrators can order right now and that you can get for free when you join my team starting January 3rd. You get this little cute paper trimmer free. And you also get this stack of designer series paper, a sampler, 6x6 sheets of some of the designer series paper in the January through July mini catalog. Let's see if this fits better now. Oh, I'm still a little bit off, but I can just trim it by hand using my paper snips. Okay. Now we're going to use some foam strips. These are great. I really love these for making shaker cards because they make it so easy. I'm just going to lay one strip over here. Cut it. Wow, it's really sticking really well. That's good. And then I'm going to lay one strip over here. And then I can get another piece and place it across here and trim it. Make sure the edges really butt up to each other really nice and tightly so that none of your sequins will fall out. And then same on the other side. Probably a little bit too short, but I'm gonna let it go. Okay, so now when I do a shaker card, I like to place the items that are gonna be inside the shaker card on the card itself and not in the window. If I put it in the window, then it's really hard to see where I'm gonna place this. So I really like to be able to see where I'm gonna place my window sheet, so I always place the items. I'm going to do a lot. I'm going to do all the rest of this. I love these sequins. They're so much fun. I've been using a ton of them. So I've already got 3 empty and a couple more. Now I'm going to remove the liners to the back of the foam strips very carefully. And some people like to use the embossing buddy to kind of get some of the static off of their window sheet. I find that it kind of clouds my window sheet, so I'm not going to use it. And this is such a big window sheet that I think it's going to be fine. So I'm going to make sure all of my pieces are in the middle. I'm going to flatten them out a little bit. And then I can perfectly place this exactly where I want it. Make sure it's nice and secure. And there we've got the shaker part of the card done. Oh, that's so fun with all the sequins. Oh, I love it. So now the piece that I've cut out with the dies, and I'm going to use some glue. This is some matte glue. Forgive me for using this, but I like it because it doesn't show up if you do too much or something. And I'm just going to randomly place little dots of glue all along these little snowflakes. They're kind of flower snowflakes. I don't know if they're flowers or snowflakes. What do you think? I'm just going to call them flower snowflakes. Make sure we've got adhesive on all the edge flowers. Okay. And so the last step is just to carefully place this on top. Try to just place it down and not move it. And we'll just let that dry. And if you want to, you could put a block or a stamp pad on top just to kind of hold it in place. But then you get your shaker card. These are so much fun. I love shaker cards. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Again, I used the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set. So I used this little season's greetings, but it has a lot of other really cute sayings that fit perfectly in small spots. And it coordinates with the Christmas layers, so they're in a bundle together. You get 10% off when you purchase them together. So go to my website, eStampin.com, and enter the hostess code, and I will send you this pretty shaker card and a little gift. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.